I want to share a unique ASO opportunity for indie game developers and also for app developers in the App Store that can give you some organic downloads from specific countries that's going to be possible for a limited time. Make sure you don't miss this chance. Stay tuned. Before I show you the trick, first let me talk a little about what ASO is. ASO stands for App Store Optimization. Is a process of optimizing a mobile app's visibility by improving its ranking in any app store. The higher your app ranks for relevant searches, the more downloads you will get. When talking about ASO, the first thing to pop up in our minds is keywords. If your game or app ranks well for a keyword that a lot of people search for, you will get good number of downloads every day. Apple's App Store uses complex algorithms in order to sort search results for a keyword. Although the algorithms are not public, some known factors influence the search result ranking in the App Store. Your app subtitle, app description, keywords list, number of downloads, rating and reviews, and update frequency are known to have influence on your ranking in searches. But what is most important is the app name. The ASO trick I'm going to talk about is the new languages for App Store. This is what Apple says. Starting with iOS 13, the App Store will be available in Hebrew in Israel and Arabic in Algeria, Bahrain, Egypt, Jordan, Kuwait, Lebanon, Mauritania, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Tunisia, the United Arab Emirates, and Yemen. Submit your localized metadata today to help users with Hebrew or Arabic as their primary language setting for your apps more easily. The trick is, because the languages are new, you can find a lot of good keywords that can be used as your game's name, which are not used yet. You are not limited to using a translation of the name of your game in your primary store. You can basically name your game anything. This is the page of my game Color Hit in App Store Connect. I've used the Arabic translation for games for my game's name, and it was approved by Apple. I can't measure the effect of it yet by the number of downloads, because there are not many devices updated to iOS 13. I'll have to wait for some months from now. But if you want to use this trick, now is the time to act. Let's talk about finding good keywords for your game's name. In order to find good Arabic and Hebrew keywords to target, I'm going to use two tools, Google Translate and AppFollow. I'll use Google Translate to find translations of English keywords to Arabic and Hebrew. Let's guess of something that probably has a lot of traffic. What about game? Okay, let's translate it to Arabic. Now, I'm going to check the traffic score for this keyword. This is AppFollow's Keywords and ASO tool. I've selected the Saudi Arabia store for iPhone. A higher popularity score means more people search for the keyword in that store. AppFollow allows us to check the traffic score of our selected keywords in different stores. You can sign up for free and have a trial of 2 weeks. After the 2 weeks, you will be limited to US and UK stores. Let's check our selected keyword's popularity score. I'll add the keyword to the list and wait a little. As you can see, the equivalent of game has a good traffic score of 64. But let me try another keyword. What about games? Let's see. I'm going to translate games to Arabic and then add it to AppFollow's keywords list to get the traffic score number. As you can see, Games has a score of 87, so I guess that's a better keyword. Now, let's see if anyone has taken the selected keyword in App Store Connect as their app's name, and if I can use a keyword as my app name. I've already used the Arabic games for my app, so let's try the equivalent of game. I'm going to create a new app version. You will probably need to add Arabic translation, but I already have it. Let's see if the selected keyword is available to select as the app name. Yes, I can use the Arabic word of game as the app name. Now let's try the equivalent of Fortnite. Yes, Fortnite is also available by now. Okay, we found a good keyword for the game's name, but there's still more we can do. Make sure to use your targeted keyword in your subtitle, the keywords list, and also in the app description. You can again use Google Translate for the description. Still, one more tip for selecting a good subtitle. After you've selected the keyword for your app name, you can still do more research for a good subtitle. Let's find a good subtitle using AppFollow. Go to Keyboard Research, enter your selected app name, and wait for AppFollow suggestions. You can add each of them by clicking on the plus sign, or add all of them by clicking on Track All Keywords. Then go back to Keywords and ASO and check which of them has a better score to use as a subtitle. I suggest you check the translation and use whichever is more relevant to your type of game and also as a good score. Remember, you are not limited to the localized keywords only. If there is any English keyword with good traffic in the local store, it's also available to use. You can also use it as your app name. I want to inform you that I'm working on a tutorial for creating a hyper-casual mobile game in Unity. I've seen a lot of Buildbox developers and also designers who find development in Unity overwhelming. I'm creating a tutorial and will try to keep everything simple and avoid overcomplicating everything. The tutorial's goal will be recreating our game Colorhit. So I suggest you download Colorhit now and take a look at it before my tutorial is ready. The download links for Apple's App Store and Google Play Store are available below in the descriptions. Please don't forget to hit subscribe to be informed of the new videos. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer. I would be happy if you shared your localized app names in the comments, of course after your game update is live. That's it. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.